Hello kids, welcome back to EVS online class. In our last class, we have discussed about weather, climate and seasons. So today, before starting the class, make sure that you have EVS reader, EVS workbook part 1, pencil, eraser with you. I'll give you 5 seconds. Be ready with your things. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in our last class, we have already discussed about weather and climate, and we have also discussed about precipitation. Today we are going to do the workbook. So open your workbook, worksheet number 4. Worksheet number 4. This one. This worksheet we have to open. Now there is question number 1 in worksheet 4. Define precipitation. State 4 forms of precipitation. So what is precipitation? Precipitation is the process by which water contained is in the cloud falls down. That is called precipitation. It is a process by which water contained in the clouds falls down. 4 forms of precipitation are rain. It is very general. Everybody knows. Snow, sleet and hail. Now this is question number 2. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. What you should do? First read the question. It is the month of July. Raj was on his way to school in the morning. Suddenly, water started falling from the sky. What is the form of precipitation? What is the form of precipitation here? It is raining. So, third option is correct one. Put tick over here. Rain. Now B1, Seema and her family had planned to visit Kashmir during winter season. However, they had to cancel their trip because all the roads were covered with the precipitation. What form of precipitation do you expect? So there may be sleet. Because of that, everything is closed over here there. Now, question number 3. What is a rain gauge? How is it used for measuring precipitation? Now, rain gauge. It is an instrument used to measure precipitation. It is an instrument used to measure precipitation. See here, this one. Uh, it is a small tube of glass or plastic with upper end open. A measuring scale is usually attached to the tube so that the amount of precipitation can be measured in millimeter. Now, turn the page. Worksheet 5. Define humidity. So, I have already told you about the elements of weather. So, elements of weather was humidity also. Humidity, visibility. So, here they are asking define humidity. State the weather types based on humidity. So, what is humidity? The amount of moisture, the amount of water or moisture, not water, we'll say moisture, present in the air is called humidity. The amount of moisture present in the air is called humidity. And there are two types of weather based on humidity. One is dry and another one is muggy. Muggy means it is very hot and there is lot of moisture in the air, and when we are sweating a lot, but that sweat has become sticky, it is not drying. So that type of weather is called muggy weather. So based on humidity, these two types of weather are there: dry weather where there is less moisture in the air, and muggy weather when there is lot of moisture and it is so much hot. Now they have given pictures and they are asking identify and write the weather at the following places will be dry or muggy. So this place is desert generally it is dry only. And this this picture it shows muggy weather. Muggy means it is hot and you are going to sweat lot and there is a lot of moisture in the air, that is muggy weather, and you feel uncomfortable and your skin is sticky because that moisture sweat present on the skin, it won't dry. Now give region. Then question number 3, give region. Why we sweat a lot during summer season. So in summer season what will happen? It is very hot, it is very hot, and we feel very hot, so we will start sweating. When we sweat, our body temperature will become low. So it will regulate our body temperature. That is the main reason of sweating. We said answer the I've written. We sweat a lot during summer season because during summer season weather is very hot. Because of that, we are going to sweat a lot. And if the humidity is very high, there is already high amount of water vapor in air. Our sweat will not evaporate. Okay. Now, worksheet 6. Open worksheet 6, page number 57. Visibility and pressure. Visibility is also element of weather. I told you about visibility and pressure also. So visibility in winter season, in the morning, if you wake up, you can't see very far away. There will be fog, and we can't see very far away. Fog is what you know. Fog is small droplets of water which is hanging in the air, and we can't see very far away. So that is what visibility means. Visibility is the measure of the maximum distance at which an object or light can be clearly seen. So how much we can see, that is the visibility. How much we can see the maximum distance, that is visibility. What is defined visibility? Write down. Visibility is the measure of the maximum distance at which an object or light can be clearly seen. Okay. Now list 4 factors. Question number 2. List 4 factors affecting visibility. Now, what are the 4 factors which is affecting visibility? One is fog. Fog, I told you that it is small droplets of water hanging in the air in winter season. We will see fog in winter season. In the morning, it will be foggy. White you can see. And B, smoke. When smoke is there, then also you can't see. When somebody burns something, smoke arises. So that also affects the visibility. Haze. Haze also affect visibility. It is a mixture of dust and smoke and like that. So when dust is there, all this, we can't see far away. Smoke. Smoke also affects the visibility. Now see here. They have given about, see this picture, if this weather is foggy, when water droplets are hanging in the air, the weather sorry hanging in the air, we cannot see far. This is called fog. Smoke means when we burn something, solid or liquid particles goes up in the air, it is called smoke. Haze means occurs when dust and smoke in the air make it unclear. And smoke is a combination of fog and smoke. Smoke is a combination of fog and smoke. So when there is less visibility, the driver finds difficult to drive. So there is a question, give region. You have to give region. Some name of a person finds it difficult, very difficult to drive in the morning during winter season. Why? So it is very difficult to drive in the morning during the winter season because of the fog present in the atmosphere. If fog is present, visibility will be less. During winter season, weather is foggy, which limits visibility, thus make it difficult to drive. Understand? So there will be fog in the atmosphere and we can't see very far away, visibility is less, so it is difficult to drive in the foggy weather in the morning in winter season. Now define pressure. What is pressure? You all know that this is earth and around earth it is covered by air. This air, it goes up 10,000 kilometer height. So this air has weight and it exerts weight on the earth. It exerts weight on the earth. That is called pressure. Okay, so define pressure. The pressure exert the atmosphere exert weight on earth. This is called air pressure. Got it? So children, for today, you learn about worksheet 6, and for today, this much only.